In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch between different camera lens on iPhone. Alright, so first open the camera app on your iPhone. By default, it usually opens in photo mode, which is perfect for what we're doing. Now down near the bottom, you'll see the zoom options like 0.5 one times and sometimes two times depending on your iPhone model. If you tap on 0.5, it switches to the ultra wide lens, giving you that wider view. Tapping on one time switches back to the standard lens, which is your main camera. This is great for regular photos without any zoom or distortion. If you want to get more creative with your shots, you can tap on portrait mode at the bottom. This not only switches modes but also uses a different lens setup to create that depth effect with blurred backgrounds. So basically you just open the camera app, tap 0.5 for ultra wide, 1x for your main lens, and use portrait mode to engage the other lens for depth shots. And that's it. Switching between camera lenses on iPhone is super quick and lets you capture all sorts of angles and effects.